So I'm going to show you how to make a little snuggle hut for your bird, and this is what we're going to do. You get a little fleece blanket. Doesn't have to be big, depends on how big your bird is. And what we're going to do is just cut little strips all the way down. And let me show you that. So now you have something that looks like this, all shredded. You want them all different sizes, but the same length. So I will show you what to do. So what you're going to do is go in the middle, grab all of these together. It's going to look like a little bow, and you pick it up. And that, you take your little shoestring, the one you leave it out, and you're going to tie it right there in the middle. Tie it pretty good. Wrap it around. 3 times. Tie it again. Tie it around again just to make sure it's secure. Now it's ready. You can hang this in your cage. Some of these pieces you can trim if they're not the same length, if you like. But that's gonna look what it looks like. See if you want to see it.